Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use live server in VS Code. Using a live server to get how your web page or website looks while you're working on is super easy and simple. You have to follow a few steps and it can be easily done. So first you have to open a file where you're working. On the left side you will see these options. Under it we have this option extensions. Click onto it and there you have to search for a live server. Then you will see this extension. Make sure this is the right one. Click on to install it and the installation will start. The installation will take around 2 to 3 minutes and it may ask you for some of the options. You can just simply allow it. Once the installation gets done, then you will be able to use it, but before you have to wait for a while. Once the installation is done, then you have to open a folder. If it is already open, then you don't have to do anything. You have to simply go to the folder section. Otherwise, open the folder in which you are working, and after that, once you find it on the left side, you have to do a right click and you will see this option open live server. As you click onto it, you will see the live server will be enabled. Now here you can see the website and the work you have done. If you want to do any changings, go back to VS Code, do any changings and simply save it. Go to that page again, do a refresh and you will see the changings here. So that's how you can use a live server in VS Code. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.